Hello students, I am Shilpa Sharma, Senior Science Teacher, MGGS Kota. Today we are going to continue with our chapter 7, that is Conservation of Plants and Animals. In the last turn we have discussed what is deforestation. Deforestation means decrease in trees or forest over a large area. We have also discussed the causes of deforestation. Then we have discussed the consequences of deforestation, which are global warming, pollution, drought, desertification, animals and plants life gets affected, shortage of food, flooding of rivers, etc. Then we have discussed how we can help in conservation of forest. We can help by recycling or reusing of paper and reforestation. Today, let us understand what government has done to protect the flora and fauna of a particular area. To protect flora and fauna, government has established wildlife sanctuaries, national park and biosphere reserves. Here you can see the picture of all three. Here in wildlife sanctuary, poaching and capturing is completely prohibited, whereas in national park, they protect not only wildlife but the entire ecosystem, which means the flora, fauna, landscape, historical objects, they all are being protected in national parks. Here, the last one is biosphere reserve. It may contain other protected area in it as well. So, what are national park? They are large areas. They protect not only wildlife but the entire ecosystem present in it, which means flora, fauna, landscape, historical objects, etc. What are wildlife sanctuaries? They are areas where wildlife are being protected. There is no disturbance to them and their wildlife. Biosphere reserves are large area to protect biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of plants and animals living in an area. They also help in maintain culture of area. Example, tribals which are living in that particular area, they are also being protected. Biosphere reserve are very big and they may also have national park and wildlife sanctuary inside it. For example, Panchmagri Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Panchmagri. Here you can see the graph of Panchmagri Biosphere Reserve. Now let us understand what are flora and fauna. Flora are the plants found in a particular area and fauna are the animals which are found in that particular area. Here you can see the picture of flora and fauna found at Panchmagri Biosphere Reserve. It is wild dog, wolf, leopard, cheetal, fern and jamun tree which are found in Panchmagri Biosphere Reserve. So they are known as flora and fauna of Panchmagri Biosphere Reserve. Now let us understand what are endemic species. Endemic species are defined as species that is native to where it is found and not found anywhere else. Here you can see the picture of endemic flora and fauna of Panchmagri Biosphere Reserve. Here you can see wild mango or Indian squirrel. So these are endemic species which are found in Panchmagri Biosphere Reserve only. You cannot see them anywhere else. That is why they are known as endemic species. Now, endangered species. Endangered species are those considered to be at risk of extinction, meaning that there are so few left of their kind that they could be disappear from this planet altogether. For example, tiger. Tiger is an example of endangered species, and that is why Project Tiger has been launched. What is Project Tiger? Project Tiger is a wildlife conservation movement initiated in India in 1973 to protect tiger. It has been one of our most successful conservation venture in recent time. The project aims at the tiger conservation, especially in tiger reserves, which are representative of various biogeographical regions present in India. The projects aim at stabilizing the population of tiger in the country because the population is reducing very it is decreasing very fastly, and to protect tiger, which is an endangered species, this project tiger was launched. Next is, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with each other and their non-living environment. So what makes up an ecosystem? Living things such as plants, animals, bacteria, etc., and non-living things like sun, sand, soil, etc. They all make an ecosystem. Here you can see a pond, which is a natural ecosystem where water present in it is a non-living thing, and fishes and other animals present in it are living things, and they both together make this ecosystem. Now here you can see a picture of a book. Can you guess what it is? See student, it is a red data book. What is a red data book? It is a book which keeps record of all endangered species. It keeps record of both plants and animals which are endangered. It is maintained internationally, but India also maintains its own red data book. Next is migration of birds. Migration of birds means moving of birds from unfavorable climate to a favorable climate. What happens? Birds migrate from their natural habitat to a new habitat to save themselves from extreme climates. For example, migratory birds from Russia come to India during winter to lay eggs because their natural habitat in Russia becomes very cold during winters. Here you can see example of migratory birds, greater flamingo, which comes from Russia to India during winter season. So this is all for today. Thank you.